is in this video we're gonna find out if TurnoCut posted by my friend Freeman Tech gives free data. So make sure I stick to the end.
First, you have Fastget application from Play Store, but the link will be down in the description, so let's head straight into action. This is the application right here. First of all, it said we go in settings, then we turn on use, then it said we turn on use custom repository, then we turn on auto update, then it said we go back, then it said select server right here. But this is the first time opening the application. Here will be nothing. I'll first refresh the page, give it some time, then you have to open the application. After opening the application, we have the servers. He said select yes, slow down, then choose this one. He said click on connect, then we go by side, select on protocol, select protocol G. Yes, we click back here, protocol settings. Yes, said use the solidness, the recommended one for the system. We click OK. Now let's try connecting. Actually, I'm going to give it 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. As you can see, guys, this is just fake. So better subscribe, as I'll be showing the part 2 to expose other fake scammers.